Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speedup tricks on INFINIX Hot 6 Ti. Okay, first let's begin with developer options and a few things that we can adjust in them. So open up your settings, now go into my phone, scroll down, click on version info, and in here we have the build number. We need to tap on it a few times in a row until we see that we are a developer. In my case, I have already enabled that mode. So now let's scroll down all the way until we find the system. Now scroll down, click on developer options. Keep scrolling down. We need to find 4 options that we have to adjust. I'll show you which one exactly. Well, first I need to find them. Okay. In here we have Animator duration scale, transition animation scale, and window animation scale. As you can see, all 3 of them are currently set on 1x. And to improve the speed and the performance of our phone, we can completely turn them off, all 3 options, or at least put them on 0.5. Don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. When it comes to me, a perfect balance between off and 1x is of course 0.5, so that's the value that I'm about to select. Alright, now let's scroll down again a little bit more until we find the apps, and we have the background process limit. And from standard limit we can select at most 3 or at most 4 processes. I'll select at most 3. Okay, that's all when it comes to developer options. Now let's get back into storage. In here we can see how much space we have left, and also how many storage space each things are taking. So you'll be able to see it right in here. And simply, if you have some of the apps, for example, that you're not using, simply uninstall them because they're only taking your storage space away, and that might be the problem why your device isn't running fast. But remember that some apps are system apps, and uninstalling them is impossible. Don't try to force stop them or anything because something bad may happen. In here above we have the cleanup button. It's worth clicking, and we have 250 megabytes of the junk files, so let's clean them up. And thanks to that, we have gained some free space. Pretty cool thing. We can enable the automatic cleanup right in here. We have the app management also. Let's get back. We can also uninstall the apps right in here. Pretty weird thing because those things are system apps, so I don't want to uninstall them. Weird thing. We have the memory usage. We can click on optimize, also worth doing. Boom. Thanks to that we will get some free speed. Okay, 180 megabytes has been cleaned. Okay. We have also optimized our battery. Let's click on the phone master. And in here, that's the quickest way of performing the cleanup. You can do everything right in here. So everything is in one place, and it's really cool thing. Okay. And yeah, I have shown you the booster. We can also do it right in here. Alright. Also, during day-to-day use, I'm sure that you have a lot of apps opened in the background simply. And that also might be the problem why your device isn't running fast. So simply, if you have a lot of apps open in the background that you're not using, open the recent apps and manually close those things because they're only taking your RAM away, and closing them up also may help. In certain apps, I need to find it right in here. I think it will be in the storage and apps, because in certain apps we have possibility to clear cache. In my case, I'll do it on Chrome, click on storage and cache, and if you have some cache that is stacked, simply click on clear. Don't worry, cache isn't your personal data or anything, and clearing it is completely okay, and it also might help clearing the cache. Okay. Also, if you want, from the Play Store, you can download some additional third-party cleaning apps. But remember that before downloading anything, it's always good to see the reviews about the app, but in my personal opinion, the cleaner that it's already provided by the Phone Master is a pretty okay app. But if you want, of course, you can download something more. Okay, and as the last thing, I'll show you how to perform a quick reboot of your device. Rebooting your device regularly, for example, once a week, is completely okay, and it's even recommended, I would say, because basically during that process, our phone rests, the RAM gets freed up, so it also may help if your device is lagging or not working properly. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu. I would like to launch the power menu, and I don't know why it doesn't want to launch. Alright, simply hold the power button until it pops out. If you will hold not long enough, the AI of the Infinix will launch. It's like a Google Assistant, but it's not Google Assistant. And now simply tap the restart button. Now our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.